Ron, how long have you been making scroll saw ornaments?
Creations, 35 years.
35 years. How small are the blades on these scroll saws?
Tiny.
Okay, so they're minuscule. And you has said that one of your greatest compliments was somebody asked you if
these were laser cut.
if they were laser cut, which they are not laser cut, folks. These are done by hand. Roughly, you've done probably how many of these?
Ornaments, hundreds and hundreds. I've lost count.
Okay, 35 years of work for Ron here. This is not easy to do. This is all done on a very, very small machine, a very, very small blade. Ron, when you're cutting using the scroll saw, what do you use for eye gear?
Well, I use a pair of reading glasses and a magnifying glasses over the top of those. When I was younger, I didn't use anything.
You can contact Ron Ross at argrosstome@yahoo.com. We appreciate you watching this channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day.